Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are fine. In this lecture I will solve exercise number 4.7 question number 15, that is most relevant for paper's point of view. So let's start. If y is equal to x fraction 3, x square fraction 3 square, x cube fraction 3 cube plus up to so on, where x less than 3 greater than 0, then show that x is equal to 3y divided by 1 plus y. Here first term, that is a1 is equal to x divided 3. Second term, a2 is equal to x square divided by 3 square. So r is the common ratio between a1 and a2. So r is equal to a2 divide a1. So by putting the values, a2 is equal to x square divide 3 square. X square divide 3 square can also be written in separated form, x divide 3, x divide 3. So fraction a1 is equal to x divide 3. So x divide 3 cancel. R is equal to x divide 3. Since given domain, that is x less than 3 greater than 0, so dividing by 3, x divide 3 less than 1 greater than 0. So mod of r less than 0. Sum of infinite series s and s infinite is equal to a1 divided by 1 minus r. So by putting the values, a1 is equal to x divide 3 fraction 1 minus r, r is equal to x divide 3. So denominator LCM 3. So 3 minus x. So 3 cancel. S infinite is equal to x divide 3 minus x. Hence the given equations becomes, so y according to condition, y is equal to sum of infinite terms, that is y is equal to x divide 3, can also be written in the form of y is equal to x divide 3 minus x. So by cross multiplication, x is equal to y into 3 minus x. So y multiply 3y minus xy. So take right hand side minus xy to left hand side, sign to be positive. X plus xy is equal to 3y. So dividing y, x taking common, x into 1 plus y is equal to 3y, dividing by 1 plus y on both sides. So x is equal to 3y divide 1 plus y, which is the required. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.